What's going on YouTube? Angel here. Today is October 3rd, 2024, and we're going to be analyzing the ORB strategy for both ticker symbols HRB and SPY. So let us get into it. So we're still in the trade from 2 days ago for ticker symbol HRB, and we definitely hit a 2-to-1 take profit for that stock. So you can see it took profit here at 12.45, so that's a nice 2-to-1. So the strategy does work for this week. Now my question for myself and for those of you listening, should I kind of give it some rest time for it to consolidate to look for some key levels, or should I look for another daily trade after we got a win? Or if it was a loss, I would just continue on trading as if it was a new day and just seeing it where that strategy takes us. From the two options, I'm kind of leaning more towards the second one, where you take each day as a separate independent trading day and you go from there. So if I were to have taken that today, so for today 9:30 we had a 30-cent spread, and on the downside, so here's a big engulfing candle on breakaway to the downside, so that would be a short. So again, this is another short signal. So overall, I definitely think that the ORB strategy, depending, it can work daily, but you just need to kind of obey the strategy. Simple as that. So today would have also signaled me to go short if I went 60. So this is about, let's see, this is about 28 cents, so 56 cents. So I would have shorted it here, 56 cents of this candle. So if I were to have taken it at the low here, so 56.72 minus 56, so that is about 16. So I will have definitely hit the take profit target here as well. Perfect. Good to know. Glad we were able to talk through that. So we got one win so far, one loss, and then I think one no trade. So let's go to SPY. So we still have the markers of where we bought the initial entry. We have our stop loss. And then, so we have two losses for today. Yes, because right here, we went down, hit the stop loss. So at most, it did hit a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio for today, but it did hit the stop loss right here. So on E-Trade, the paper trading account is a little bit buggy, so I will erase that in terms of the share prices. So that is another loss for the strategy. So we have one win, two losses, and one no trade day. Yeah, so if you can see here, it clearly hits the loss. And if we can zoom in a little bit. So if we had an independent bias here, so this is a $1 move. So going bar by bar from the 5 minutes. So we see long breakout right here. Touched it. That would have actually made me want to enter it here, and then I would have also been stopped out as well from this trade. So far SPY is not looking too great this week for the ORB strategy, and it continues to chop sideways a little bit. Yep. So a dollar move from here, so $2, so 570.15. It did hit a high today of 169.8, so another 1.5 hour move. So for the SPY so far, it has hit 1.5 just not 2 Rs so far. So maybe for next week, that could be a change, but as of right now, we're still continuing with the 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio for these two stocks and seeing where it goes from there. Thank you guys for listening. Tune in for the next video.